I want to thank you all so very much. I cannot believe that many people have been sending me messages checking on us to see how we are after those tornadoes came through Arkansas last night. When I first got up this morning, I think the count was 16 had died. Now I believe it's 18. I believe one in Oklahoma maybe. It hit a small community called Mayflower, which is about 80 miles southwest of here. I actually lived in Mayflower for a few years when I was younger. I had just got this. This is a weather radio, NOAA weather radio. This is made by Midland. It runs off batteries. It also has a really nice external antenna. And I leave this thing now sitting on the nightstand next to my bed. It has an alarm clock and everything, but I don't use it for that. This thing will do hurricanes. It even does amber alerts. It has all kinds of features on it. Some of the features you can turn off, and some you have to leave on. Like tornado warning, it will not let you turn that feature off, which is great. You should never have that turned off. The National Weather Service is the one that sends out the alert. So being able to set it for my area means that I will not be woke up for a tornado warning that may not even be anywhere near my home, somewhere else in the state. So it does go off just where I live, and that's what I've got it set for. This thing went off last night at 2 a.m. But I put it on alarm, and then if I put it on alarm, then I can just hit the weather radio button.
Ground impacts at 20.0 feet, flooding of bad water up tributaries, spreading into reservoir.
Now, right now they're talking about flood warnings because we have rivers that are just getting completely out of their banks. It went off. It woke me up. I got up. I got out of bed. I got on some clothes. I went to my den, turned on the television, and this was giving me a tornado warning. Is what it was giving me. And I turned on the television, and by the time I don't know how many minutes passed, maybe a minute and a half, 2 minutes, which doesn't seem like much, but when you're talking about tornado on the ground, 2 minutes means a lot. If you're traveling at 40 miles an hour, it'll take it about a minute and a half to go a mile. And just so happened there was 3 funnels within probably 4 miles of my house, and I was in the direct path of one of them. The other 2 just went about 2 miles north of my house. This thing gave me about a minute and a half to 2 minute warning, because when I turned the TV on, that is when the emergency management systems turned on their alarms on the television set, and also it activated all the tornado alarms in my city. You need to really think about this. This could save your life. And if it had been on the ground last night and I hadn't had it, I would have not have had as much time to get to a safe area. Because like I say, 4 miles away, this went off. The alarms in my city did not go off until it was 2 miles away. And then we took shelter and knew exactly where it was at. When we took shelter, it was over an area that's just about a mile or less than a mile from my house here. I hope this might be helpful for you. Thanks again.